Would you like to see a review of the GoPro HERO 13 versus the Insta360 AcePro 2, where the channel isn't affiliated with either of the two companies, hasn't altered or manipulated any of the footage, and isn't afraid of showing you the video footage, even when the cameras are not in their ideal environments? Well, look no further. We've gone out and purchased both of these cameras with our own money, and we'll be setting both cameras up to record at their highest bit rate, and then we'll be doing a blind test naming one of these cameras A and one of them B, and then at the end of the video you can decide for yourself which camera really does give out the best image quality. Just make sure you let us know in the comment section below which one you prefer, but that's enough waffle, let's get straight into it. So there you have it. Now before we tell you which camera's which, we are asking a big favour from each and every one of you. For YouTube to recommend our content to other viewers, we need you to either give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, or if you enjoy what we do here, hit that subscribe button so that you can watch further videos when we next release them. Right, here's the results. Camera A is the GoPro HERO 13 and camera B is the Insta360 AcePro 2. Again, let me know what you think to this in the comment section below, but that's going to wrap up this video. As I said, if you've enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you like the way we do things around here. But that's going to wrap up this video. We'll catch you in the next video. See you soon, everyone.